All right. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Now we'll be discussing about how to improve the current account. Generally, what do we mean by improving the current account? It is what? Increasing the inflows and decreasing the outflows. So this would improve the current account. Improve in the sense that it would either make it in, it would help in converting it into a surplus, or it would help in bringing it to equilibrium, or it would help in minimizing the deficit in the current account. The first point explains that devaluation in the currency, once we weaken the currency, so it makes it economical for foreigners to buy our product. They bring in $1, they take a lot of goods because they get a lot of currency in exchange of our currency. They exchange their dollar against our currency. Let's suppose Pakistani rupees, they get a lot of currency, Pakistani currency, they buy a lot of goods, so that means export starts to increase. The second part is improving trading relations with other countries. If trading relations starts to improve in the international market, then new trading partners starts to develop. So this helps in improving the current account position. Improve production in local market. Improve production in terms of quality, in terms of the quantity that we produce. It is possible that the economy requires 100 tons of plastic and it only produces 60 tons. So if we improve our production, the quantity, and we end up producing 100 tons, so that means there would be less requirement for imports because we are sufficient enough and we're producing sufficiently for the local market. Then we talk about the fourth point, improve performance of EPZ, export processing zone. So they would help in searching market in the, for locally produced goods in the international market. Fifth point, increase protectionism, increase the amount of tariff, quota, embargo. So this would restrict the amount of imports into the economy. This would help in improving the current account position. But this method goes against free trade. Free trade encourages specialization. Okay, the sixth point is provide subsidy. Provide subsidy to local producers. Give subsidy to local producers. The cost of production of the local producer would start to decrease. Once the cost of local producer starts to decrease, the price in the local market would also decrease. This would make their product more competitive in the local market as well as in the international market because there's a decrease in prices. So a lot of countries will be buying that particular product from this country. So export starts to increase. Then the seventh point is encourage remittances. Encourage more remittances. Give, for example, more incentives so that people send remittances back to their home country. They buy property, they buy, houses, they buy cars in their own home country, so that the inflow starts to increase, and this helps in improving the current account position. Right? Thank you.